What again?
What you gonna say to your Grandma Honey? Whatever you want to say. What?
Grandma Honey, I hope you feel better.
No, stand up right here. Come on. What you gonna say?
Grandma Honey, can you make a good pancake? That's all.
And then, did you miss Grandma Honey?
Yep.
You love Grandma Honey?
Yeah, her makes good pancakes.
What you gonna say to the God?
What do you say again? Cooker in the world.
Okay, what you gonna say?
I like to call her, I love you.
Oh, okay, you tell her.
I love you.
What else?
That's all I'm going to say.
Oh, yeah.
You want to buy pancakes?
Pancakes. Grandma Honey, feel better. I want you to make pancakes. You're the best cooker in the world.
Wow.
I'm glad you feel better because once you can go home when you feel all better.
And then what kind of pancake when I make?
Unicorn.
Wow.
I love unicorns.
Yeah.
Hello, Rhino. I love you.
What you gonna do? What you gonna say to Grandma Honey? Hi.
Wait.
What? Say hi. 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 Okay.
What are you doing?
Good. Gi, buang ka ha?
Huh?
I don't think that Mom have a base.
Well, she got the one. She got those flowers in. That wasn't her. I know she's got. Why you got the?
Oh my God! What did you do?
You better get some more vegetables.
Yeah.
Why?
Punta tayo sa store, guys. Hurry up! Right here! Yeah, there. Come on. Come. There, kakaroon. Better watch your ass. They got cars. Hey, come on, look. They have cars. Oh, come. Kuya is really far. We are far behind from your brother. You gotta be careful because they got cars there. Yeah. Come on. Woo-hoo. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Kapoy na ni siya. No! kami sa Coco Beach. Relax lang muna guys. Dami mga tao naka-bikini, naka-swimsuit. Naka-leggings ako. Akala ko kasi mainit. Kaya hindi ako nag-short. Nag-short sana ako para makapaglaro ko ng tubig. What are you doing? Are you playing? Yeah. Daming tao dito. May naked island din sila dito. Joke lang. You wanna sit down?
I'll sit down right behind my big booty Judy baby girl.
Big booty Judy. Ship dito yun. Ayan. That's a cruise ship, right? Cruise ship.
Heading out. Probably heading for the Caribbean.
Heading for the Caribbean.
These two are gonna freeze their balls off.
Ang daming tao, guys.
Let's see how long they last out there.
Yeah. Let's see. It's cold. Ano yung mga bata naglalaro? Ito yung isa.
Couple tough guys.
Wow. Ooh.
No big deal. Let's do it.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? You got a Ron John t-shirt just like that kid.
Yeah.
Actually, I like yours better.
There's a lot of people in here. It's doing great.
That's pretty good for not standing up for 2 weeks.
Yeah, instead of falling down.
No, we don't want it to fall down.
Yeah, that's what I...
Alright, now I'll do a little marching in place again.
Right.
Hmm?
You remember yesterday I fold
Yeah, you fall all the time.
on the...
Alright, you need to sit down, take a little break.
And I had my elbow on the...
Yeah,
Good.
it's good just to...
Thank God, guys. Uwi na si mother-in-law. Ngayon, maya-maya konti. Andun kami kanina sa ospital. Tapos umuwi din hinatid lang kami ng asawa ko dito. Para sunduin yung nanay niya. Inano ko lang to dito, guys. Yung parang unti ng space. Kasi maglalakad siya na may walker. Patayin na natin yung ilaw. Nakapaghugas na din ako. Yan. Yan. Ay, no. It's okay. Don't do it. Don't do it, Lord James. So, kinuha niya lang si ma'am dun sa hospital. So, sabi nung therapy niya dun sa hospital, no need na pupunta siya sa rehabilitation place. Kasi dito naman kami mag-aagapay sa kanya. So, pwede na hindi siya pupunta dun. So, kami na yung mag-aalaga sa kanya. Tapos, ewan ko kung matutuloy, iwan kami dito ni Mister. Ako, tsaka yung pangalawang anak namin. Kasi si Kuya may klase. Tapos, babalik naman sila after 2 weeks. Kasi, spring break ni Kuya. So, hindi ko alam, guys. So, sa ngayon, antayin na natin. Tapos, pag-aaralan natin yung niya, yung tawag nun, yung niya, heart diet. Doon siya sa kabila matutulog. Doon siya sa kabilang kwarto matutulog. Tapos, pumunta kami ng Surf Style. Kanina, binilihan ko lang yung kapatid ko ng t-shirt. Tsaka, ito. Sleeveless. Maya pakita ko. Binilihan ko siya. Nakabili na ako ng 2 t-shirt sa kanya. Update ko kayo maya, guys. May lilinisin pa ako sa labas. Hanapin ko pa yung walker niya. Naglo-laundry din ako. So, hahanapin natin yung walker niya dito. Kasi sabi niya, andito daw sa back room. Hindi ko naman alam kung saan yung ilaw dito. Saan kaya yung ilaw dito? Ayun. Ito yung walker ni ma'am. Oh! Ito yun. Ito yung gagamitin niya, yung 4. Ito yun, guys. Gagamitin ni ma'am. Kukunin natin yan. Ilalabas natin yan. Dun! No, get your sister dyan! Lalabas natin to. Lilinisan natin to, guys. Ito yung backroom niya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang daming pagkain ni ma'am dito. Ready na ready siya. Hindi naman bumabaha dito. Pero ready yung mother-in-law ko, guys. Ito yung walker niya. Kainis. Yan. Patayin natin yung ilaw. Nilinisan ko na to dito, guys. Last time nilinisan ko to, guys. Ewan ko kung bakit makalat na naman to ngayon dito. Yeah, I know. Pero last time nandito ako bago ako umuwi ng Pinas, inarrange ko na yung ano niya ni ma'am dyan. Di ko alam bakit ngayon ang kalat na naman. Kasi siya lang kasi mag-isa dito. Yung anak niya babae, ewan ko, guys, ayoko na lang magsalita. May mga apo din siya, guys, na 20 na. Mahirap na magsalita. Ito, mga labahin to, guys. Nilagay ko lang dyan. Yan. Dyan lang yan. No, this is for grandma. Ilagay natin to dito, guys. Kasi pag dumating siya, andyan na, diba? Okay na. Magtatapon tayo ng basura maya sa labas. Itong teddy bear. Nilalagyan ko yung kama namin ng teddy bear, guys, o manika. Palagi. Kasi kapag wala tayo dyan, di siya mahigaan ng masamang alam yun na. Yeah, I know, baby. So, yan lang muna, guys, sa update. Pagtatapon tayo ng basura sa labas. Patayin natin yan. Update ko lang yun. Ayan, guys. Para kung pumasok siya, okay na. Mamaya pa, andito na si ma'am. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing? Put it back. See, look, grandma. Grandma is walking back to her chair. Come on.